What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we have another try on haul, and I figured let's do this one really vlog style just to switch things up. So we're on the vlog camera here, we're in the bedroom. I have so many amazing items to share with you guys from Missguided. I have loved Missguided, can I just say, for literally years now. I have spent thousands of my own money on Missguided because I love their stuff so much. One thing I love about Missguided is they are super on trend. So they always have the latest trendy items, and I'm just obsessed with always checking their new arrivals page. So you guys may notice that I am wearing the Playboy and Missguided collection. Today's haul is specifically going to be Playboy and Missguided collection themed, with the addition of a few just Missguided items at the end as well. Honestly, this collection has so many cute pieces. I cannot wait to share them with you guys. So of course I'm going to be trying everything on and sharing everything with you. I do have a coupon code with Missguided, so let me share it quickly. You guys can go ahead and use the coupon code Amy50 to get 50% off the entire Missguided website until the 31st. So until the 31st, the code does expire, so make sure you go ahead and start shopping now. Let me actually set up the camera here. Alright, so I just set up the camera on the tripod here, so it's a little bit easier. But the first thing I want to share is the cutest little tee from the Playboy and Missguided collection. I love that this one has, like, I don't know, it's hard to describe, almost like a denim blue kind of color to it. So it's super cute. I would personally wear this tucked in to some joggers, or maybe with a pair of jeans. You could even tie it up and be all cute. So I absolutely love this piece. Oh, I think I forgot to mention, this video is sponsored by Missguided, you guys. I totally forgot to mention that, but disclaimer, is sponsored by Missguided. But like I said, I've spent literally thousands of my own dollars on Missguided and will continue to, because I love them so much. So I will leave everything linked in the description box down below. The links are going to be commission/affiliate links, so keep that in mind. But I do appreciate if you guys do shop there, then I do receive a small amount of commission. So I do appreciate if you guys choose to support me. But yeah, I will also leave all the sizes to everything in the description box. That way it can help you guys with shopping. All right, so these are the first two pieces. I am so obsessed with this outfit, can I just say? It's so simple, but it's so me to be like obsessed with an outfit like this. So the first thing are the cutest leggings that have the Missguided and Playboy little logo there. I love these so much. They're nice and high-rise too, and they're made out of a nice material, like they feel good on. Another thing I really like about them is I am short, so I like how they're not too long. Like they don't bunch that much at the bottom, which most leggings do. And then how amazing is this hoodie, you guys? Again, so simple, but of course I'm obsessed. I just love outfits like this that are so cozy, and it's so me to like do my hair, do my makeup, look beat up here and like glam, and then throw on like the most like comfiest outfit. Like that's just so me. I love doing that because like you just still look cute, but you're so comfy. And let's be real, this is like the perfect outfit to throw on if you just want to like run errands, or you know, whatever, really comfortable all the way. And here's how the side looks. I'm obsessed, seriously. Sugar baby loves it too, I just know it. So the way that I wear my hoodie is I always take the bottom of it and fold it under, because I love how it like slouches. But just so you guys can see, like these are actually pretty long. So if you're the type that likes to wear like a sweater dress, it could totally be a sweater dress as well. But I don't really like sweater dresses. I kind of like to like tuck it in and have it. And you could even tuck it in on the side of your pants if you really want to, you know, do the damn thing. I feel like it looks so cute. I'm obsessed with this outfit. Like I just want to go out now just to wear this. Okay, so second hoodie that I got is this one with the pink logo that I am so obsessed with. You guys know I love pink so much. So anything pink, I don't know, it captures me. It's totally my vibe. But wait until I share the back with you guys. Like, check this out. How obsessed are you? Because I'm obsessed. Like I'm not even joking, you guys. I'm gonna be getting so much use out of this sweater and these hoodies, because I feel like they're the perfect fit just to throw on when you want to run errands or go to the grocery store, or you just want to like go shopping quickly. Like just the perfect comfy fit. I'm obsessed. So cute, love it. Okay, so here is the next fit, and I am so obsessed, you guys. Like, I feel like they made this collection just for me because it's so my vibe. I love all of the comfy fits. You guys know that. I love the t-shirts, the biker shorts, the hoodies. I'm so obsessed, and I love this shade of pink. It's like a really nice baby pink, but it's a little bit muted, like slightly. I feel like it's so adorable. I just love, I'm obsessed. And I can do the peace sign because I feel like it goes with the Playboy. I love this whole collection. It's very like 2000s vibes. And this with like some really pretty like layered necklaces or some big diamond studs would look so pretty. Love. Okay, so now we have the next fit. I'm absolutely obsessed with this gray on gray combo right here, and we have the black printed logo on both of the items. And the way that I would wear this, to be honest, fold underneath, good to go. Or if you want to like show more body shape, you could take, it actually has a slit on the side, which is nice. Just take it, tuck it in, and it kind of shows the hip a little, which is really cute. So I like it like that too. And I just think it's such a pretty, like oversized, really cozy, comfy crew neck. And again, these are the same leggings, but in the gray, and they're very, very soft. And they're just like a nice material. They're not too thin, but they're thick enough that like it feels like it's grabbing onto you, but they're not too thick where like you're gonna be super hot. So I like them. And again, they're not too long, which is nice. So I love this. Okay, I gotta say, I'm so incredibly obsessed with this whole outfit. I feel really cute and really good in this. Like, it is so flattering on the body. First of all, these joggers are such a nice fit. I don't know how to explain it, but like just the way that they sit on your body is super flattering. I kind of like don't always like how joggers fit on me because sometimes they make me look too boxy, and sometimes because I am shorter, sometimes there's too much room on the, you know, crotch area. So I'm very picky with how joggers fit me. But these fit so nice, you guys. Like, they're very flattering. They actually make you look curvier because they are a little bit high-waisted. And just the way that the pockets are angled, it does make you look curvier. And I love the white with the black logo. And then I switched it up and made it contrasted with the black shirt and the white logo. So I'm just obsessed with this whole fit. Like, I love it. And this top is extremely flattering. The buttons really draw attention to the cleavage and kind of make you look slimmer. And the 3/4 sleeve, like, I'm just obsessed with this top. And the quality of this top is really good. Like, it's super, super soft, very smooth. It feels super high quality, and they're so affordable. Like I said, you guys can use my code for 50% off, and I'm just obsessed with this. Yay, we finally have some sun coming in. There hasn't been any sun all day because it's raining outside, but I love this outfit. Like, oh my God. This is perfect for spring when you want to just go out, look all cute and comfy and cozy. And this just looks and feels like super 2000s, like major 2000s vibe with this whole outfit, and I'm living for it. All right, so this next one is the same joggers, just in black, and I do love the matching fit as well. I'm telling you, you guys are gonna be obsessed with this collection. There are so many more amazing pieces as well. But yeah, I love the black joggers. And again, they're just so flattering. Like, they make you look really curvy. They're nice and high-waisted without having too much crotch room. And there isn't too much bunching up at the bottom. Like, sometimes with joggers, I'll have so much crotch room and then so much bunched up at the bottom because I'm only 5'1". So yeah, I feel like these just fit perfectly and I just love them. Obsessed. Okay, I know I am saying obsessed a lot in this video, but I'm obsessed. I am not even kidding you guys. Look at how gorgeous this sweater is. So this is not a part of the Playboy collection. This is just regular from Missguided. Hello, like, so obsessed. I love the stitching I love like just the detailing on the stitching because it gives it a really vintage vibe. Like this sweater is so cute. It really gives me Yeezy vibes because it is like kind of like it's slightly faded and it has a very muted taupe color, and because of the seams, like just the way the stitching is, it's so pretty. And I paired it with these nude biker shorts from Missguided. These are actually really, really nice. I like them a lot. I love this like tone on tone. And this is actually the perfect fit for March because right now, at least the GTA weather is very like, it's warm, but still a little bit chilly. So you kind of need a sweater. So it's perfect to wear like these sweater and shorts combo. So I just love it. And I love this outfit. Very pretty. I'm obsessed. Okay, so the next item that I want to share with you guys is this amazing bodysuit. Like how sleek and pretty is this? I feel like this is so my style, just very minimalistic and clean. And this does remind me a lot of like Kim Kardashian style. Like I feel like she would wear this bodysuit. I just love the zipper. I love like the little corset detailing. It's a very lightweight and smooth material. It feels really good on. And I feel like it looks really good with these Missguided joggers and then some cream or white sneakers. So I love this. It's so pretty, and it's in a really pretty like taupey sand color. So the next piece is this really pretty mini dress. This one's a little bit longer than the last one, but it has the buttons down the middle, which I just thought was a really pretty touch. And I love the off the shoulder. I always find that off the shoulder dresses are very flattering and very slimming, and they just look, I don't know, they always just give like a really cute touch. So I love that. I still have my white sneakers on, you guys, please ignore it. And it's actually very, very, very comfortable. Like the material, I feel like really comfy and cozy in it. Even though it's a dress, it's super comfy. So I like this a lot. Okay, this next little piece is this really pretty dress that I'm just like obsessed with. You guys know I love charcoal, and this is so adorable. And I love the neckline, how like really deep it goes. I feel like it's very flattering. This dress is very short, so I would say it's for petite girls only, but I think it's so adorable. So pretty. All right, you guys, so that is pretty much it for the Missguided haul. Make sure you guys shop the Playboy and Missguided collection because it's absolutely amazing. I feel like it was made for me. Just all of the comfy, cozy outfits is perfect, and the 2000s vibe, I'm just obsessed. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this haul. I hope you enjoyed the vlog style. I feel like it was cool to kind of just switch it up. Don't forget, you guys can get 50% off the entire Missguided website up until the 31st of this month using my code Amy50. So make sure you shop. I will leave all the links in the description box. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.